Hello everyone, in this video, you will see how to put a Walmart gift card on the Walmart app. If you haven't already, download the Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your device. Launch the Walmart app on your device. Log into your Walmart account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile section within the app. This is usually represented by an icon or menu option like account, profile, or your name. Look for an option related to payment methods, gift cards, or adding a card. This may be labeled as payment methods, gift cards, managed cards, or similar. Select the option to add a new payment method or gift card. When prompted, enter the details of your Walmart gift card. This includes the gift card number and PIN, which are typically found on the back of the physical card. After entering the gift card details, verify that everything is correct. Double check the gift card number and PIN for accuracy. Save the changes or confirm the addition of your gift card within the app. You should receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that your Walmart gift card has been successfully added to your Walmart app account. With your gift card added, you can now use it as a payment method when making purchases through the Walmart app. During checkout, select the gift card as your payment option. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.